chocolate chip cookies from the Biro Home Recipes book, 41st edition. For this recipe I'm using 150 grams self-raising flour, 25 grams of cocoa powder, 110 grams of margarine, 75 grams of soft dark brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of golden syrup, 110 grams of chocolate chips, 2 tablespoons of milk. Sift the flour and cocoa together. I already sifted the flour, so that's okay. Cream the margarine and sugar together. Until light and fluffy. Stir in the syrup. Flour. Chocolate chips, and the milk, and mix well. Spoon onto greased baking trays. This mixture is very thick. I've followed the recipe. Flatten slightly. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes at gas mark 4, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius, conventional oven, 160 degrees fan convection oven. That's them done. Let's see what these cookies taste like. Oh, not bad. I give them 7 stars on the yummy scale. Milk and cookies. The bear's not having any of them.
Service to Edinburgh, Berwick-upon-Tweed and Edinburgh. This train has 9 coaches. This train has on-board catering available. First class accommodation can be found in zones 4 to 2, standard class in zones 10 to 5.